Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials. Power the night vision goggles and check battery level above 50%. Next, calibrate your headset IPD and controller bindings so aiming feels natural, and make sure the in-game optics are NV compatible. Once done, equip a suppressor and low-light sight to reduce flare and maintain stealth. This matters because NV amplifies available light and muzzle flash can blind you. Move now into the mission lobby for a quick rehearsal of movement and sight alignment. You engage NV with the quick toggle and begin scanning the environment in momentary bursts. This conserves battery and prevents sensory overload. Then fine-tune gain and contrast. Lower gain reduces bloom around bright spots, while higher contrast improves edge detection. Make deliberate, slow movements when aiming or peeking. This minimizes motion blur in NV and helps you track targets. Once done, combine sound cues with your sight picture to prioritize threats. Audio will confirm what the green image sometimes cannot. You complete the mission by powering off the goggles before removing them and stow them in a padded case to protect optics. If you see excessive grain or digital artifacts, reduce the gain and check for a firmware update. Those changes often fix image processing issues. For persistent drift or misalignment, recalibrate your IPD and remap the NV toggle to a reliable button. This resolves most tracking problems. Remember, clean lenses gently and test in a safe environment before redeploying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.